Good morning, students. In class 7, we will discuss motion and time chapter, in which we today we will discuss uniform motion, non-uniform motion, and maybe also about the time. So, first here is two type of motion. Generally, body has two type of motions. Like you see the situations while you go from by the train, then you see that at the platform the train start and gradually it increases the speeds, but at a time after a certain time you see that the train reaches its point where the distance travel or their speed is maintained as a constant, and after a certain time when the train driver think that the station is about to reach, then he slows down the speed and finally reach to the next station. So these situations, in this example we will discuss both uniform motion as well as non-uniform motion. First, what we see when we define the uniform motion, a body has uniform motion when it travels equal distance in equal time interval. It means in first second the body travels 50 kilometer per hour, 50 kilometer in 50 meters. In seconds it again travels 50 meter. Again third seconds it again travels 50 meters. So you see that every second the body travels equal distance, 50 meter, 50 meter, 50 meter. So here we say that a body travels equal distance in an equal time interval. First second, second, and in 1 second again 50 meters, in 2 to 3 seconds again 1 second, and it also travels same distance. So when a body travels such distance in an equal time interval, then the body has uniform motion. You see that is at this juncture the train maintain the constant speed. It means every seconds it travels equal distance. So this area shows the uniform motion of the train, but this area you see that at the beginning when the train starts, it gradually increases the speed. So in every second we see that the distance traveled by the train is differ, and that happens in non-uniform motion. What is the definition of non-uniform motion? Non-uniform motion is a motion in which a body travels unequal distance in an equal time interval. Like in a first second, if a body travels 25 meters, in seconds it travels 35 meters per second, 35 meters. In third second, what we see that it 45. In 4 seconds, it 20 meter per second. So see, every second from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 3, 4, you see that in first second 25 meter travels, in second 35, in third second 45 meters, in fourth second we see that 20 meters. So see that the distance traveled by every second is unequal, 25, 35, 45, 20. It is not equal. And this, if the body has such situation while it moving, or if a body has such a motion in which unequal distance travel in an equal time interval, then the body has non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Like here, when the driver think that the next station you are to reach, then what he generally does, he breaks down and slows down the speed. And when we calculate, then we saw that the distance, every second the distance travels for the next station is decreases, and finally at next station it becomes zero because it becomes rest. So this is the this is about the non, and this is about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. You have lots of examples, like when a bicycle moves in a crowded road or crowded road, then you see that the frequently the riders uses the brakes and slows down the speed of the bikes. And in that context we see that every second the distance travel is also unequal, but the same rider when it moves in a GT road where there is no any crowd, then we see that the every generally we feel that that rider travels a equal distance in equal time interval. So this is the one or two example of the motion of the uniform motion and the non-uniform motions. Thank you.